Hey everyone, in this video, we are going to show you how to merge charts in Tradingview. Merging charts in Tradingview lets us overlay, compare, and analyze multiple financial instruments or indicators on a single pane. This helps us spot correlations, divergences, and trends. Using this technique, we make technical analysis easier. We can directly compare, for example, a stock with an index, which makes trading decisions and market studies simpler. Now let's begin. We will guide you step by step, so even if you are new, you can follow along. Let's get started. First, open a new browser and go to tradingview.com. Once we are on the page, make sure we are logged into our account. Now let's move to the task. Go to this product, then to the software chart. We will be redirected to this page. Here, we have the S&P 500 index. We are going to compare it and merge it with another chart. Let's zoom in a little. Now, go to the upper left corner. We can see a plus sign here. Compare or add symbol. Click this and we will use the DJI as an example to compare with the S&P 500. Just click and proceed. Now we see another chart and another drop appears. This drop helps us with comparative analysis by overlaying two symbols on the same pane. It also helps us see how instruments move compared to each other. We can find correlations and divergences. By viewing assets together, it is easier to spot when they move together or apart, which can show possible trading opportunities. Merging indicators into one pane also allows for complex analysis without making the screen messy. It helps us keep our workspace tidy. Combining charts means we do not need many separate windows, so our view is cleaner and more focused. In multi-timeframe analysis, using different timeframes in one view helps us look at trends. For example, it can confirm patterns or help us analyze volumes of data. That's how we merge charts in Tradingview. It's an easy way to compare multiple assets and get a clearer picture of market movement.